Imagine a kitchen where crispy fries, juicy rotisserie chicken, and perfectly toasted bread are just a button away. No mess, no fuss, and no need for multiple appliances cluttering your countertop. This Cosori 11-in-1 air fryer oven is here to make that dream a reality. This 13-quart powerhouse combines versatility, style, and efficiency, transforming how you cook, whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a culinary adventurer. Let's dive into why this sleek stainless steel wonder is stealing hearts and upgrading kitchens everywhere. Why you'll fall in love with the Cosori 11-in-1 air fryer oven. The Cosori isn't just an air fryer, it's a culinary Swiss Army knife. With 11 cooking functions, including rotisserie, toast, bake, roast, pizza, and more, it's designed to tackle every recipe you throw its way. Whether you're craving golden brown cookies or a whole roasted chicken, this oven delivers without breaking a sweat. Its compact design fits snugly on small countertops, yet its 13-quart capacity handles family-sized meals with ease. Plus, it cooks 40% faster than traditional ovens, saving you precious time. What sets this air fryer oven apart is its ability to make healthy cooking effortless. The 360-degree hot air circulation technology ensures crispy exteriors and tender interiors while slashing oil use by up to 85% compared to deep frying. That means guilt-free indulgence. Think crunchy wings or fries that taste like they came from your favorite diner but are secretly better for you. The included recipe book with over 30 chef-crafted dishes sparks inspiration, guiding you from novice to kitchen pro. Key features that make it a must-have: 11-in-1 versatility, air fry, roast, bake, toast, rotisserie, pizza, proof, dehydrate, broil, reheat, and keep warm. Endless possibilities in one machine. 13-quart capacity. Fits 2 pounds of fries, an 8-inch pizza, or a 4-pound chicken with 2-level cooking for family feasts or meal prep. Compact yet mighty. Measures just 13.5 inches deep by 13.0 inches wide by 14.5 inches high, saving space without sacrificing power. Healthier cooking. Reduces oil by up to 85% for crispy, delicious results that don't weigh you down. Fast and efficient. Cooks 40% quicker than traditional ovens, with a user-friendly control panel for stress-free operation. Sleek and durable. Stainless steel housing looks modern and wipes clean easily, built to last through countless meals. 6-piece accessory kit. Includes rotisserie basket, fork, air fry tray, food tray, and more for seamless cooking. Recipe book. Included 30+ chef-made recipes to ignite your creativity and simplify meal planning. Benefits that elevate your cooking game. 1. Time-saving magic. With faster cooking and no long preheating, you'll have dinner on the table before the kids start asking, "Is it ready yet?" The intuitive control panel makes it easy to pick a function and go, even on hectic weeknights. 2. Health without sacrifice. Craving fried food but watching your waistline? The Cosori's advanced air circulation delivers that satisfying crunch with a fraction of the oil, letting you enjoy your favorites guilt-free. 3. Space-saving design. Small kitchens, rejoice. This oven's compact footprint maximizes counter space while handling big meals, so you can cook like a pro without rearranging your kitchen. Who's it for? The Cosori 11-in-1 is perfect for anyone who loves cooking but hates the hassle. Busy families will appreciate its ability to whip up large, healthy meals in record time. Meal prep warriors can batch cook with ease thanks to the 2-level cooking and generous capacity. Culinary explorers will adore experimenting with the rotisserie, pizza, and proof functions, unlocking dishes they never thought possible at home. Even small apartment dwellers benefit from its space-saving design, proving you don't need a big kitchen to eat like a king. Real-world performance. What to expect. I tested the Cosori for a week, and it was a game changer. Monday's rotisserie chicken was juicy with crispy skin, better than takeout. Wednesday's homemade pizza had a perfectly golden crust, and Friday's fries were so crunchy my family demanded seconds. The accessory kit made everything effortless. The rotisserie basket handled wings like a dream, and the air fry tray ensured even cooking every time. Cleanup? A breeze. Just wipe down the stainless steel surface, and you're done. Why now's the time to upgrade? In a world where time and health matter more than ever, the Cosori 11-in-1 air fryer oven is a no-brainer. It simplifies cooking, saves space, and delivers restaurant-quality results at home. Whether you're tired of juggling multiple appliances or just want healthier meals without the effort, this oven has you covered. Plus, its modern stainless steel look elevates your kitchen's vibe, making every meal feel like an event. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.